Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make cumin skin with vegetable. It's very simple and delicious, this recipe, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. And before start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So meat here I use sausage skin, and vegetable you can use whatever you like. So here I use capsicum, green onion, and that's it. So if you want to know proper ingredient list, you can check it out my description box. I will give the whole ingredient list. So first I'm gonna boil the sausage skin. Add the all sausage skin and for extra flavor here I'm going to use Sichuan pepper, just a little bit, and add some ginger. Now you have to boil until not cook the sausage skin. So meanwhile I'm going to make sauce. For sauce here I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and half tablespoon oyster sauce. And that's it. It's very simple. Now check the sausage skin cook or not. Once it cooked, then we have to remove the water. And here water I'm not going to waste this also. Later I'm going to use in soup. So 2-3 times you have to wash. Now you have to cut into bite pieces. Okay, now my oil is already heat, and now I'm gonna add garlic. By the way, you can add less garlic also. I like the little more garlic flavor strong, so I'll add a little bit more garlic. And fry the garlic until not golden brown color. Now once you change the garlic color, now add the sausage skin and mix very nicely. Now you don't need to cook sausage skin, we already boiled before. Now it's time to add vegetable. Once you add the vegetable, you have to give good mix. Now add the before we make the sauce. One more time mix it. So I like to add just a little bit corn flour water because I need a little bit gravy. Now add the green onion leaves. Add some pinch of salt. The salt is according to taste you can add. Now it's ready to serve. Now drop on the vegetable. Here I like to add just a little bit sesame seed, so it will give little nice and classy look. Alright guys, so this is my final result and hopefully you guys love it. So about the more recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this delicious recipe, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.